Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Today I am going to tell about Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna is not just a character from mythology. He is a timeless teacher, a guide who speaks directly to the human soul. His thoughts, preserved in the Bhagavad Gita, offer practical wisdom for every stage of life. You have the right to perform your duty, but not to the results. This simple statement contains deep truth. In life, we often work hard with expectations. We want success, approval, rewards. But Krishna teaches us to focus only on the action, not on the outcome. The moment we detach from results, we become free. Work becomes a form of devotion. Stress disappears. We act with full attention, and whatever comes, we accept it with grace. The mind is a powerful force. It can uplift us or destroy our peace. Krishna says the uncontrolled mind is the enemy. But the controlled mind becomes our greatest friend. To control the mind, we must watch our thoughts. Avoid overthinking. Avoid negative self-talk. Choose thoughts that help you grow. A quiet, focused mind becomes a doorway to peace. True wisdom lies in balance. Krishna says that a wise person is not disturbed by happiness or sorrow. He remains calm in success and failure. This doesn't mean we stop feeling emotions. It means we don't lose ourselves in them. When we are too attached to joy, we fear losing it. When we are too shaken by sorrow, we lose clarity. Inner balance brings freedom. Krishna encourages action over inaction. Arjuna wanted to run away from the battlefield. But Krishna said, face your duty. Life often gives us situations we want to escape. But running away only brings weakness. Whatever your duty is, as a student, parent, worker, face it with courage. Action with awareness is better than empty withdrawal. You are not this body. You are the eternal soul. The body can die, but the soul never dies. It cannot be cut, burned, dried, or drowned. Knowing this truth removes fear. We stop being obsessed with looks, age, and external success. We remember that we are eternal, pure, and divine. Krishna says, whatever you do, do it as an offering. Whether you eat, work, or rest, do it with love and devotion. He accepts even a simple leaf or drop of water if offered with love. It's not the size of the offering, it's the sincerity that matters. This turns every action into a prayer. God sees all beings as equal. Krishna says he does not favor anyone or hate anyone. He is the same to all. We too should try to see the divine in everyone. In the rich and the poor, in friends and enemies, in every living being. Judging others creates ego. Seeing unity brings peace. Self-control is strength. Krishna teaches us to control our senses and desires. This doesn't mean suppression. It means discipline. Eating moderately, speaking mindfully, avoiding distractions. Desires will always exist, but we don't need to act on every impulse. A disciplined life leads to clarity and happiness. Fear is based on illusion. Krishna asks, why do you worry unnecessarily? Whom do you fear? Everything in life is temporary. Problems, pain, success, and failure, they all pass. When you remember the eternal soul within, you stop fearing change. Faith replaces fear. You move forward with strength. Leadership is influence. Krishna says, whatever a leader does, others follow. We are all leaders in some part of life. Parents led children. Teachers led students. Leaders must live what they preach. Real leadership is by example, not command. Be what you want others to become. Krishna's teachings are simple but deep. Do your duty. Control your mind. Act without attachment. Stay balanced. Serve with love. Remember the soul. See God in all. Live with discipline. Replace fear with faith. Led by example. Apply even one of these teachings in daily life, and you will see change. Peace will grow. Fear will reduce. Life will feel lighter. Krishna is not just a deity. He is a mirror showing us what we use can be, strong, wise, calm, and full of love. Let his words stay with you. Let his thoughts guide your actions. And let your life reflect his wisdom.